Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video you're experiencing a problem and I try to fix the problem. So if you're having this issue, the sink, so I was using this polythene bag to stop the water. So we have this issue, the tap is not closing and the water is, as you can see, the tap is not closing. So I'm going to show you how to fix this in a few minutes. So first of all, I'm going to go back and close the water. So whenever I try to fix it won't work. So I got some plumbing ideas with my plumber. So I'm going to go ahead and close the water from outside. So let me pause the video, then I fix this issue. So I've closed the water. So what I'm going to do here, you can get anything. In our case here I have this compass. So you can peel off this and can get a minus or screwdriver and open this completely. So in my case, I'm in the kitchen and I have this knife very close here. So it depends on the tools. So this is just a quick fix. So after doing this here, so I'm opening this. Then we have our screw here, plus this red top cover. So this is how, so I've disconnected it. Let me move a little bit far. So this is how the thing looks like. So we are going to call the plumber to fix this, to buy a new one, but this is not, it's not needed. So I'm going to go ahead and, plus I have some tools here. So you can get any. So I'm going to go ahead and push this down, because this is not something, you don't need to buy something new. And I'm going to go ahead and fasten it very well. And this was just the small issue we are facing, because what happened, for 2 days the water is closed. So let me go ahead and open the water outside, then I come back. So it was closed from the tank. I've gone to the other side and our water is now back to normal. So my next step here now, I'm going to go ahead and fasten it very well. It is now fixed. Then we have our screwdriver. I'm going to go ahead and put it back. And I use the knife for the, can even use a fork here. So you can use anything very close, because this was just a quick fix. We had issues. We thought you could call the plumber. They thought this thing was fake. So I normally say they bought fake things, but it is not fake. It is not fake, it is original. So next step, you're going to go ahead and put the thing you use. So in this case, I've used a few tools. I've used the compass. To closing it, I've used the fork in the kitchen, so you can do it yourself. So thanks for watching. Now I was using this to close. So we had an issue and took us 3 days, and the water that we closed, even the toilet could not work, even the washing machine, because of this one leakage. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This is John Galiwango. I will always be sharing more knowledge about how to do things yourself. You can see our water is now back to normal, and this is going to last for a very good time. So this is how you do it. So if you visit John Galiwango, yeah, you have very many projects like this. So I'm logging out, and just imagine we are going to call the plumber. Now our tap is fixed without issues, and it's going to be working forever. Yeah, so on our channel I do very many projects. So thanks for watching. Please join my membership for more videos like this.